The a tag genuinely creates a real, clickable hyperlink, the actual mechanism connecting the entire web together. In this video you'll build real working links. Href genuinely holds the real actual destination URL. Clicking this real link genuinely navigates there. This real relative URL genuinely points to a page on the same actual site, not an absolute external address. Target is equal to underscore blank genuinely opens the real link in a new browser tab instead of navigating away from the current actual page. A tag genuinely creates a real clickable hyperlink. A relative URL genuinely links within the same real site. Target is equal to underscore blank genuinely opens the link in a real new tab. Build a real link to an external site that opens in a new tab. Ready to embed real images on a page.